Hello everyone. Today we going to learn in this video about worksheet. So first of all, what is a worksheet? We know that the Excel workbook contains sheet are called a worksheet. By default, there are three worksheets in one workbook and by default only one sheet will be remain. So we can add additional worksheet. Each sheet has a name displayed on a sheet tab. You can see the default name is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So we're going to see in this video also that how to add a worksheet, how to switching between worksheets, how to rename a worksheet, how to coloring worksheet tab, how to deleting a worksheet, and how to see worksheet views. So let's do this practical. In one workbook you can see one sheet. So here you can see that. Do you know that how many columns and rows in one worksheet? Let's see that. So here to see last columns of our worksheet, just press, we can use tab key, otherwise arrow keys, okay, to go to the next column. Okay, we can also use tab key also, okay, but to know the last column we just press shift left arrow key, sorry, control and arrow key. So you can see the last one is XFD. So we have total 16,384 columns. And to go to jump to the first row or first cell, just press Control Home. So you can get a result as A1 cell. Okay. Now to see the number of the last rows. Okay. So just press Control and down. Okay. Here you can see 10,48,576. Okay. So these are the total number of rows in one worksheet. Okay. So to go to the first cell, press Control Home. So this way we can see the number of columns and number of rows. Okay. Here you can add a worksheet using this icon. Here this is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Okay. To add new one sheet, just press this insert worksheet, or the shortcut key is shift plus F11. Okay. So you can see that my following worksheet is default name as sheet 4. Okay. Now, how to switching between worksheet? Okay. There are many ways to move around on your Excel worksheet. We can switch another worksheet in a workbook by clicking tabs along bottom the spreadsheet window. Okay. Click the tab worksheet you want to display. Okay. Just click this tab. We can get the worksheet. Okay, and to go to the next sheet, we just use this navigation bar. Okay, to go to the first sheet, last sheet, previous, next. So we can use this navigations also. Okay, now how to rename a worksheet? To rename any worksheet, we just right click on sheet tab name, and you can see so many options. Here following this menu, you can see insert. You can also insert new worksheet. You can delete it. You can rename it. So let's rename it. So you can see your sheet name will be highlighted by black color. Okay. Now we are going to apply a name of the worksheet. So this way we apply the name. Now to how to color a worksheet name. Just right click and you can see this tab color option. Oh wow. So using of these options you can get so many colors and you can apply any colors. Okay. You can see when your tab is active, it is just highlighted. If you go to the next sheet, it will show you the tab color also. Okay. So this way we add worksheet name and color it. Okay. Now how to delete your worksheet? To delete any one worksheet we use, just right click on the sheet tab name and select this delete option. So you can delete it. Clear? Okay. So now how to see the worksheet views. In Excel, we can see different views of our worksheet as normal view. This is one of the normal view, page layout view and page break preview. Okay. So let's see the normal view. Just click on this normal view. Shows one continuous page of columns and rows. So we can see that this is our normal page view. Now second is the page layout view. Just click here. So you can see the page layout view and you can see the page numbers. This is our page 1 and page 2. Okay. Clear? That display worksheet on individual pages that correspond to the printed pages. So that's why we can easily separate the page numbers. In page break preview, first of all I click this normal view. Now I use page layout. You can see this dash line. Okay, that consider your page number, page 1, page 2 and page 3. Now page break preview, that indicates what is the page break preview. First of all I jump to this first sheet one because I want to show how to page break preview. Okay, just click here. When I click this option, you can see whatever content I added, you can see just that content also, and you can also set your border line of page 1 and page 2. Okay, clear? So for this way we can see the page preview, page 1, in page 1 how many content are there, page 2 how many content will added. Okay, you can apply it to here also. So this way we can see the different views. Okay, so please do the practice of it, and next we will see how to create a charts in Excel. So please subscribe my channel and you can see updates my updated videos, and please on bell icon to see the notification of my video. Thank you. Have a great day.